Hello people, this is Ryder here with an opening on the Tiger Electronics Mighty Morphin Power Rangers electronic LCD video game. So yeah, we're doing another random Power Rangers opening. However, this was in courtesy of True Common Rider O's on Twitter, also known as Reggie. As I explained this in the opening that you might see, or you might not. It depends if there's actually enough content for if I can do an end of the year opening. But basically, every year Reggie does a thing where you can send. You make a tweet just saying like, oh yeah, like send in your like Amazon wish lists and such, and potentially like obviously just for like anyone, just to like willingly, just to get something for you. However, you have the chance of being chosen by Reggie himself to get you something on your Amazon wishlist. I went into more detail within the actual opening of this, but I'll just cut to the chase. But like this was a last minute thing I added because my wish list was still a mess. So I've been kind of eyeing this thing for a while, ever since I heard about the action card game being listed on Amazon. So I originally wanted to get these two together, but then obviously I ended up getting the Cosmic Morpher. So this thing I've been kind of just like, I don't know, like I think it would be fun. Because I was kind of hoping I would have been able to get it in my like local Walmart or something. Because I do see these at Walmart. But then again, like apparently this was like a 2021 release. But yeah, so obviously this is the Tiger Electronics Mighty Morphin Power Rangers device. Because obviously everyone knows Tiger and such. If you've seen the videos, you know what they are. We can go on about the 64 bits, 32 bits, 16-bit, 8-bit, 4-bit, 2-bit, 1-bit, half-bit, quarter-bit. Yeah, okay. I've been trying to recite that entire model. Anyways, here's Goldar, the putties, and here we have the core team. I do like that they still retain the art. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Tiger Electronics, from the Vault. And obviously Hasbro Gaming, because I think Hasbro bought them out. It's still funny this has like the Hasbro Gaming stuff. It's actually funny. The Risk Game. Rita Repulsa wreaks havoc. She's been in prison for 10,000 years, but now she's free and wants to destroy Earth. The Power Rangers must use their martial arts skills, Dinozords, and the combined power of the Megazord to defeat Rita and her minions. Alright, so take on Goldar and the Putty Control, defeat Pudgy Pig and Gnarly Gnome? Do I know that one? Morph into Megazord to gain optimum power, battle her leagues and Rita herself all at once. Alright. And like I think this is a cool portion of the box. It does say it's from 1994. So that's cool. But it just contains the module itself and the instructions, and like obviously it made sense for Hasbro to revive this one because they own the license. Because I know there's like other ones they've done, like Mortal Kombat, Double Dragon, Simon's Quest, but Sonic 3. I don't know which way you're supposed to open this. Because I don't know, like I might actually keep the box for this one just because it is technically like a retro thing. Because I obviously like I do like retro items just because like I think they're kind of neat. Okay, I think we have to open this entirely. Because like I think it would be cool to get like, I don't know, like I think retro like gaming devices are really cool. Or just really fascinating to like learn about and such. Okay, so I think I opened this weirdly for sure because I did not need to open it the way I did. But what did I do wrong? Because I'm pretty sure this is like at Hasbro's point of like doing the plastic free initiative. Okay, so they want me to cut this? No. How do you... What's with the tape inside? Maybe that is supposed to be tape I'm supposed to cut, but I don't know, we're just gonna go in from here. Well, I mean, I can't... Yeah, well, I mean, plastic free officially started in 2022, so like... I mean, like, I don't know, but I was just... I would like to, like... I mean, again, I would like to do it with my own income, but, like, I would like to start... Not start, necessarily, but, like, I think I like to start getting some, like, old school devices. Like, when they re-released the Game & Watch, well, it's not authentic to the actual Game & Watches. Like, the Mario ones, they were re-releasing those, and I actually did want to get those, but, like, obviously we couldn't. But, like, a Game & Watch would be pretty cool to own. One of the stupidest things I would actually like to get is a Virtual Boy. Or a Virtual Boy. I just kind of actually want to experience that piece. And plus, it's a small library anyway. Like, I feel like it's gonna... I don't know. I haven't looked at prices, but I feel like it's at least, like, at max 200. Which is not really the greatest, but... Alright, there. How do you expect me to remove this? This is a lot more flatter than I was expecting. Yeah, this is a flat piece of plastic. Okay. Yeah, this is flat, for sure. Yeah, so this is a new 2020 mold. Alright, I guess these are gonna fall off, and then somehow you gotta form the box back. This is... Okay, so then you do that, and just fold it in. Alright. It's just like this, alright. I broke the stability. But come on, let's push the duration of this video, I guess. What the heck? There's actual rules. Okay. Okay. Play as Power Ranger Jason. Into the batteries. See battery information on the back. You're a beep. Yeah. Alright, you always play as Jason. Gee, that sucks. What? Okay, you begin each stage with 3 lives and full energy. Press the morph button to morph into the Tyrannosaurus Dinozord. Beware of Rita's magic wand, it will make the stage bosses even more powerful. In stage 2, you must defeat 2 stage bosses to complete the stage. Pudgy Pig and Goldar call on Zack to help you. When Rita gives the stage boss extra power, fight back by morphing into Megazord. Okay. You lose energy when a monster successfully attacks you. You also lose energy when you morph, so act quickly. Sometimes you need special moves to defeat an enemy. Press jump plus right plus kick. Alright. During the final stage, you will face all the bosses together. Save enough energy to morph into action in order to defeat them all. In stage 5, you do not have the power of Megazord to help you, but you're still able to call the help and use your other skills. Be careful, Rita will be shooting electric magic at you. How to win? Alright. You win if you kick the wand out of Rita's hand in stage 5. The special move you use is to first jump, then move forward and kick quickly. The game is over if you lose all your lives. Alright. I mean, it's at least cool they tell you, like, how these are done. So you can morph into the Dinozords, but, like, you can't do the Megazord in the last round. And I appreciate this, at least. Yeah, this is why I figured that calling a Ranger is, like, done, or, like, they're each, for each stage. This is to do everything. Turn on the unit. Oh, this is actually cool. They actually show you the entire LCD screen. That's cool. So I do have batteries repaired since 2 days ago, maybe. Let's finally actually use a flathead, because I don't know why I've been using a Phillip these last few times. It's genuinely annoying. But I know this is technically the this is technically the only new thing about the re-releases, is that obviously the old versions you had to just simply swipe up and pull, but I think again because they don't want people to lose these. Just okay, so I guess you still had to clip them up, but this eats up like triple or double A's, like alright. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay, there. Jeez. Okay, so how do you put this back on? You clip it down. Okay. I guess we do need the flathead or the Phillip head if the flathead is just gonna try to scratch this thing. But like you can tell it's not on completely. Like it also probably doesn't help this is white. But I want to see this first. How does this work? Yeah, I want to see the display. Show me the display. I don't want to damage this. Like, I want to see the display. Alright. There's a random pendant in this room. Alright. I guess we're not getting that, but let's play. Alright, so it's definitely interesting. Jump kick. Yeah, it's just basically a bunch of jump kicking. Alright. Jump kick. Oh gosh, I got kicked. Ooh wee. Oh yeah, I forgot I can punch. Can I call? Okay. Wow, that actually helps. Can I only move like one space? Like, what's the point of up and down? Is it just to... Oh, wait. Punch up. Sorry. Apologies, you can... Morph. Wait, what? What am I supposed to do? Wait, morph? Wait, what is morph? Wait, okay, now I'm the Megazord. But, wait. Can I not move? Wait, what am I doing? Wait. I'm going to die. Wait, I'm going to die. Wait. Game over. Oh, wait, I can move forward? Okay, I can move past these things, I think. No, wait, I can't? Wait, what is... Okay, wait. I can punch up? Can you punch up? What is the point? Like, they should have just went with... They should have just went with the, like, the directions of, like, just the left and right. Like, yeah, technically you should jump. And, like, technically you can go without sound, but obviously we want sound. I can't call for help. Like, I don't get the point, because, like, I'm stuck in two directions, as you can, like, briefly see. I'm, like, stuck in two spots. And I keep thinking that's Scorpina. No, that's... Isn't that Goldar? See, like, you can't punch in the air? Well, you can, but it's just like, I can't get the timing. And, like, what I don't get is, like, so I can, like, move forward, It's just because the rocks changed. I'm just trying to figure out how I can move more forward. I want to progress. Do I have to like double tap? Wait, they said like something about like. Oh wait, no, that's the call. Like jump, jump, jump left, kick. See, like, I'm stuck in this position. Like, what am I supposed to do? Okay, see, now I can move forward. Okay. Okay, there. Oh. Okay, let's move forward. Move forward. Punch. Punch. Okay, move. Let's move. This is technically what the camp plays were. This is technically the return of camp plays. Great. So yeah, that's kind of basically it with the Tiger Electronics Mighty Morphin Power Rangers game. It's definitely interesting. Like I think this thing is definitely a lot weightier than I was expecting, and like the buttons are weird, definitely. But like just oh wow, it keeps my score. Like just kind of like messing with it. It's definitely interesting for the most part. I accidentally called on a ranger. Like I think like it's just a lot more better probably just to look at it like up close and such because there is a lot of nice details. It's just that I kind of wish it was a lot more clear what to do. Besides, like obviously I know I had to like I just had to fight a wave of enemies until I get to the boss. It's basically just a mindless button masher. But it's probably better that way. As you can just hear me. Oh, no. Yeah, so you are supposed to like move forward. So, okay, I get it. You're supposed to like fight Goldar. And then you move on to the boss. But I keep missing him and he killed me. Alright. But, yeah, I just want to try to activate this thing. Because I don't know why it's not activating. I wonder if it's just... You have to really press it? Or like... I don't know. But yeah, like this is definitely a neat piece. Especially because like again, if you haven't seen, this technically could be in vein of this thing that my sister got me off of AliExpress. I just didn't put it in the right direction, but like like this thing is definitely interesting. Because you can just play things like... Oh, that's Crisis. I thought that was just Chris. Where's the funny one? Because obviously these are just ROMs. So... Jumping Kid, Golden Bird. No, we need the funny one. Barai Hunter Fighter, Spider-Man 2, Masked Man. Golden Castle. Teletubbies, there it is. So we can play Teletubbies. Got Start, which is just a ROM hack of Mario Bros. So we're Dipsy, and we have to try to knock the Koopas. So we gotta get up there somehow. Get that? Okay, wait. Oh, shoot. Okay. Whoa, I actually completed a stage. Oh, wow. Okay, so... Oh, shoot. Okay. Dipsy, I have to... Okay, knock... Nope. Oh, gosh. Okay. No, nope, nope, nope. Okay. Jeez. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. How am I gonna get down there? Nope. Okay. Yeah.